Have you ever wondered if the last financial crisis of 2008 has changed something fundamental in our societies? Have you ever wondered if one of these consequences could be the overhaul of our economical system and our government structures? In order to understand the conclusion I have barely hinted at, I want to kick off the discussion by briefly talking about disruptions.
Yeah, I'm on the blockchain with it, and my blockchain Monkeyz full of octane in them. You know the vibe, plus we shredded that. What is going on, blockchain monkeys? Eagle here, and you're watching Albt Crypto. Now, today I wanted to get into Alliance Block. Now, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I a professional in blockchain technology. But there's one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give you my opinion. Now, I wanted to get in on this Alliance Block because what they're doing is magnificent to me. From what I'm seeing, I've never seen a company of this magnitude merge so seamlessly with the DeFi space. So we're going to see where this can possibly go and take a look at this this token to see if this could possibly be something in the future. So take a look with me. We're going to dig into their website, but I wanted to show you an explainer video so you can kind of get a gist of what's happening here.
As decentralized finance emerges rapidly, traditional finance institutions are only watching from the sidelines, unable to participate in the massive innovations, mainly due to compliance and regulatory restrictions. The question has become how to connect traditional finance markets with the decentralized and digital asset markets in order to allow a seamless and compliant flow of capital between both worlds. At Alliance Block, we aim to bridge traditional finance and DeFi to add value to both areas and therefore create the future of finance. The Alliance Block protocol will help financial institutions eliminate inefficiencies and take advantage of the potential of DeFi. We will enable much greater access to DeFi products, which will see billions of dollars flow into the space. In doing so, we will unlock DeFi for the world. We are building the protocol as a series of interconnecting but independent modules. These modules will combine to form the Alliance Block protocol, but can also operate as standalone products. The initial product set includes 7 products. One of these products is our trustless Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering identity verification module. This will allow users to prove their identity in a trustless manner, while also giving them control of their data. This module feeds into our cross-border regulatory compliance rule engine, another module. Once verified,
what I've noticed here with Alliance Block is they're attempting to be over compliant. I mean, you got to think about it. This isn't just basically a startup. This is a project that's already been supplanted in the traditional finance space. So what they're attempting to do here, it could be potentially something, epic. So take a look, have a listen, and we'll look around and see if this is something that this could possibly be.
Users can share their data across the wider Alliance Block protocol and start using the product while being compliant with the regulations in different jurisdictions. This includes products such as our compliant peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, and investment protocol, which will allow the likes of wealth managers to digitize real-world assets and have investors lend against them. It will also feed into our DeFi investment terminal, which will give users access in real time, granular, and actionable blockchain data, and aims to be the DeFi Bloomberg terminal. Our data tunnel module will make it easy for anyone to publish, monetize, use, and analyze data. Our pricing engine will provide derivatives and structured product pricing and cutting-edge risk analytics. This will be able to, for example, solve the risk of impermanent loss for liquidity providers. It will be open to all DeFi liquidity mining programs. All of our products rely on data, and our final module is our on-chain investment data API. Our API will house both on-chain data from multiple blockchains, as well as data from specialist providers. This can be used by DeFi partners, such as Parsec, Chainlink, and API3, as well as traditional firms aiming to build new, innovative trading algorithms. These first 7 modules
Yeah, and I also believe that they're partnered with Ocean and as well as Frontier. So that's something to take a look at while you get a chance to do your research. These partnerships that they're having with these other projects, making the interoperability so much better. I mean, it's just amazing what's happening here.
Represent the foundations of the Alliance block ecosystem and a fully decentralized, globally compliant capital market, which will allow both traditional finance and decentralized finance players to connect, interact, and eventually ensure a flawless capital flow between both worlds. Building the future of finance.
Okay, so we're over here at the Alliance Block website. It says here, bridging traditional decentralized finance, the Alliance Block ecosystem. Alliance Block is creating an ecosystem of stakeholders across the full spectrum of traditional and decentralized finance with a vision to create a fully decentralized and globally compliant capital market. Industry stakeholders and service providers can become a node in the Alliance Block ecosystem and propose their services while being compliant with multi-jurisdictional regulations and also seamlessly plugging into legacy Tradfi systems. Okay, so we have something potentially huge here. It says here they can connect with private banks, investment banks, wealth manager, asset managers, sovereign fund, mutual funds, credit union, you name it. You know what I mean? So I wanted to show you the economics. I wanted to show you the use cases of the token because this is what really plays on me when I'm looking at these projects. I need to know, what are you going to be used for? Is there a possible use case? How's the marketing as well as getting it out? Okay, so another thing I wanted to take a look at was the use cases for Alliance Block. What's it being used for? You know what I mean? Is there a market for this? How huge is their reach? You know what I mean? So let's take a look here. You have simplifying cross-border activity, regulated securities offerings, compliant decentralized open finance solutions, fund distribution, compliant P2P lending for institutional clients coming soon. I mean, they have these, these huge partnerships here, and they're continuing to build upon that. I believe I saw in the explainer video that they do have a department for NFTs as well. So, the limitations are, there is none. You know what I mean? Also, okay, so ALBT tokens are the backbone of the Alliance Block ecosystem. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have here the ALBT tokens are the backbone of the Alliance Block ecosystem. The ALBT token serves as a multi-purpose tool to be utilized as a primary medium of exchange, means of reward for the ecosystem participants, and network fee payment mechanism. In addition to the ALBT token, it will act as the currency reserve of the ecosystem. Now, this is what stuck out to me, that it will act as the currency reserve of the ecosystem reserve pool and as a governance token for voting in power delegation. Token utility and scarcity is further achieved via a number of deflationary features, including node staking, liquidity pooling, quarterly revenue-based token burns, and quarterly activity-based token burns. Someone had told me in the Telegram group that they may be implementing staking, like one-click staking. So we're going to see if that's to come too. So keep a lookout on that for me, okay? And let me know if you guys hear anything about that. And if you guys have any comments regarding this project, please let me know down in the comments below. I'm looking to learn as much more as I can. So we have a medium of exchange here. The ALBT token will be the main medium of the exchange for services and assets on the platform. The token burn. Between 25 to 50% of the fees will automatically be confiscated by the protocol and burned quarterly. There's another mechanism, okay? Staking. By setting up an institutional data or services node, network participants will participate in the staking protocol. Network fees, every transaction will be required a small fee in ALBT tokens. Our corporate entity will buy back and burn tokens quarterly based on revenue. Oh my goodness, look at this. I mean, this is just beautiful, as we're looking right now. This looks great. So we're going to keep a lookout on that. There's a few more things I want to get to you about this token. Okay, so let's take a look at their team. This is one thing you really want to look at when you're looking at these projects. You have Rashid, is a serial entrepreneur with an obsession for modeling, analytics, development, quantitative analysis, and data science. For the last decade, he has been developing and implementing models of methodologies to help organize with forecasting and risk management. He was a quantitative analyst at Barclays And in 2017, he completed the building and deployment of a highly scalable deep learning model and artificial intelligence applied to a computer vision. This guy has a lot on the line with this company, put his face out. So this is good to see. Now, the lady you saw in the beginning of the video, that was Amber. So let's go take a look at her resume. I believe she's also with was with JP Morgan. Before co-founding Alliance Block, Amber was fixed income trader at JP in London. She started her career in global investment research at Goldman Sachs and moved from there to Cross Asset Solution team at JP Morgan in 2012, where she worked on structured and exotic products across equities, FX rates, credit, and commodities. Later, she spearheaded the macro systematic strategies effort at JP Morgan, focusing on dynamic risk premia trading strategies. She graduated from HEC in 2011 with a master in international risk management. So strong team is what we got here. Now let's take a look at this. There's a whole lot more. You know what I mean? That's not even cutting to the chase. And here you have Mathis de Vries. I probably butchered that, but he has managed the product development of one of the largest Dutch companies, PostNL. There, he was responsible for the several software development departments and related departments in order to lead an entire software development chain before switching companies to lead the development of several unique AI products, amongst which is groundbreaking Chatbox. He has an extensive and varied background as a software developer himself. He himself developed a full-blown workflow management suite and an analytical algorithm in the field of veterinary diagnostics, among various other projects before growing into a managerial role. He's known what the importance is for a developer to be able to thrive and deliver high-end products. So high quality team we have here in Alliance Block. So let's just take a look at some of the partners here and supporters. You have here Quant, Holo, Chainlink, FinLab, Certitech. They're certified with them. Now, look, let's take a look at this right here because I wanted you guys to check this out. Certitech, the leading provider of the end-to-end cybersecurity solutions with the aim of ensuring the highest security standards are consistently met on the Alliance Block protocol. The Alliance Block protocol is a decentralized blockchain agnostic layer 2 that automates the process of converting any digital or crypto asset into a bankable product. Through this strategic partnership, Certitech's prestigious team of global experts in the academia and enterprise will ensure the highest security standards are met. As part of the collaboration, Certitech's professional services division will carry out an in-depth audit of Alliance Block network. It will also verify the decentralized finance solution based on the network. Like, this is the type of stuff you need in a project. This is beautiful here. So shout out to Alliance Block for doing that. Awesome. Before I let you guys go, I want to show you one more thing and then get in here and dig in this yourself. But you have the Alliance Block connects to the London Stock Exchange Group Partner Platform. Alliance Block is now a member of the LSEG's partner platform, giving the institutional members direct market access to Alliance Block. We'll read a little bit of this here and I'll let you guys go. Alliance Block, the first globally compliant decentralized capital market, has today announced it's signed an agreement to join the London Stock Exchange Partner Program, providing institutional members the ability to have direct market access to Alliance. The partner platform supports Alliance Block to provide innovation applications and services to financial markets. LSEG's partner platform offers Alliance Block access to unique go-to-market resources and to help it on its mission of creating the world's first globally compliant decentralized capital market. Are you seeing this, folks? You might want to take a look at Alliance Block. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will all see each other on the moon.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the swift, keep it walking. Respect your elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.